Oh, now that we've got to our installer, what we're going to need to do here is still set up our database. So let's take one step back and go back to our cPanel and manage our database setup. In this case, we'll go to our database, which is right here, MySQL databases. We will go to, we'll just call it database, our new database that we're creating. And so here is the name of our database. Let's save this information. This was our hosting information, so database information, database, and we'll go back and let's create a new user. Let's just use user. It only allows for, I believe, 7 characters. So, and let's use the same password that we're using for our hosting cPanel. Create user. So let's save this username. Now this is a little bit not as aesthetic, but it's all the same data. So pass. So let's go back, and now we need to add the user to the database. So right here's our user. We're going to add them to this database. And we'll give them all privileges and make changes. All right, excellent. Our database is created. If we actually go back in the cPanel, we can see that our database is now Shop Online Database. Username is there.